In this quick video, I will show you how to use Pancakeswap in Aptos blockchain step by step. So the first step is to have a Martian wallet. If you don't have one, you can go to martianwallet.xyz and click add to browser. And then once you have a Martian wallet in your browser, you can go to any exchange. So let's go to Binance.com and then log in first. You will gonna need to log in first and then click wallet here, click fiat and spot. So if you don't have an Aptos in your fiat and spot wallet, you can either buy, deposit, or trade. And if you want to trade, you can choose any of these pairs. And then once you have Aptos in your wallet, click withdraw here and go to your Martian wallet. Click your address here and then paste the address here, and you don't need to change the network because it automatically match the corresponding network. So the next one is you cannot type the amount you want to withdraw, but make sure that it is 0.02 and above. So for example, I want to withdraw 0.065 aptos, and you can also see here the network fee and the amount that you will receive. And then click withdraw here, click continue, and you will gonna need to fill up all this information and click submit here. Then wait for the transaction to be completed and then go to your Martian wallet here. And as you can see, I have a recent withdrawal here from Binance. You can see that I have withdrawn 0.065 aptos, and you can see from the activity that I have received 0.065 aptos. Once you have deposited your aptos to your Martian wallet, you can now go to aptos.pancakeswap.finance and then click connect wallet and choose Martian. Then once you have connected your Martian wallet in Pancakeswap, you can now type the amount of aptos you want, and also you can choose what token you want here. Just click here and you can choose any of these tokens. So for example, we're going to use seller USDT, and now you can type the amount of aptos you want. So for example, I want to swap 0.02 aptos and I will receive this amount of seller USDT, and click swap here, click confirm swap. So make sure that you leave enough aptos in your Martian wallet because you're going to use it for the gas fee. Then click approve and then click close. Close your Martian wallet, and now you can see here that I have a 0.36 seller USDT. And if you have any questions about how to use PancakeSwap on Aptos blockchain, leave a comment below.